tallest Lord Hanuman statue in India.
The panoramic view is absolutely spectacular. Welcome to Shimla.
Pavan Putra Hanuman ki Jai. Dedicated to Lord Hanuman, Jaku Temple is an ancient temple in northern India. It is situated on the Jaku hill in the capital city of Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jaku hill is Shimla's highest peak at a height of around 8,000 feet above sea level. I started my day with a beautiful sunrise view along with mouth-watering garam Himachali aloo ke parathe and kadak masala chai in the majestic mountains of Himalaya. My awesome hosts were Vinay Patil and Vanshil Patil. The distance of Jaku temple from Shimla bus stand is 3.4 kilometers and from Shimla railway station is 3.2 kilometers. While heading towards Jaku hill, the journey is a bit challenging with narrow roads and many sharp twists and turns. You should be a good driver and extra alert while driving in the mountains. It was steep and thankfully we reached safely at the base of Jaku temple. Film star Abhishek Bachchan did the unveiling of the giant 108 feet high idol of Lord Hanuman in 2010. This is the artistic Pravesh Dwar, the entrance gate of Jaku temple. The temple timings are from 7 am to 8 pm on all days. Before you reach the temple, be careful of the monkeys around. They tend to snatch your glasses, caps, mobile phones and other valuables. They are very quick to do so. Just in case they do, you need to actually buy a packet of groundnuts or fruits which are available there and give it to them, and that is the time when they return your valuables.
Namaskar, Jai Hanuman. Here you can see 108 feet high
Lord Hanuman statue. Jaku temple has an interesting story attached to it. During the battle course of Ramayana, Ram's younger brother, Lakshmana, got injured by a powerful arrow and became unconscious. He couldn't be revived despite several efforts. Then a renowned priest told Lord Rama that he needed a particular Sanjeevani herb to bring him back to life. Hanuman was given the charge of getting the herb from the Himalayas. While going towards Himalayas, he met sage Yaku on the hilltop. Hanuman sat on the mountain and cleared his doubts about the herb. The mountain couldn't bear his weight and got flattened, remaining half of its size. After collecting enough information about the herb, he then left for Himalayas and then to Lanka. As Hanuman left the place, an idol of him appeared there by itself. To honor Lord Hanuman's visit, sage Yaku built a temple there. Lord Hanuman is known for love, compassion, devotion, strength and intelligence. Each year, a festival is held during Dashera. This place offers a mystical vibe to the devotees of the Pavan Putra. After taking darshan in the mandir, we headed towards the Jaku ropeway. And I was very excited as it was my first experience on the ropeway. The one-way ride is 295 rupees for adults and 236 rupees for kids.
Welcome to Jaku Ropeway, Shimla. There you can see the entire Shimla city. The distance is half a kilometer here. Then you can see the entire city of Shimla. This is my first ropeway experience here in India. Very beautiful. You can see the entire panoramic view. We can see it as the bird's eye view. Beautiful. We are blessed with sunshine today.
These parallel cable cars are heading towards top of the hill where we just came from.
It's an amazing experience, and I love mountains and I love the places which are on heights, and the panoramic view is absolutely spectacular.
As we are heading towards the base, wow, you can see the beautiful Indian flag. That is the Mall Road. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. You can also take a two-way ride at Rs 550 for adults and Rs 450 for kids. Shimla and Himachal Pradesh tourism has so much to offer. I am simply looking forward to explore more.
So here we are done with the Jaku ropeway in Shimla. A 10 minutes ride, but an absolutely worth it ride. It should be on your list when you are here in Shimla.
From Mall Road, this is the view of Lord Hanuman statue at the Jaku Hill, 108 feet high. From here on, we went on to have Himachali traditional dish Siddu. You can watch that video by clicking on this link or link given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in another video. Till then, keep smiling and keep exploring.